Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Y'all, I am about to head to Florida on vacation with my family, and this style came at the right time. Ywigs sent me this water curly hair and wanted me to try this style for you guys, and of course I said yes. It looks so freaking good. So I ended up using 4 bundles of the water curly for this install. This is a feather crochet, you guys. If you want this style, you can't braid yourself, get somebody else to do it. You can definitely go somewhere, get them to braid your whole head down, and then come home and crochet it yourself. It's the easiest thing to do. If you're going to reuse this hair, only do a single knot. If you plan to just keep it in, you don't care about reusability, then go ahead and double knot it and you should be good. I don't want to blab too much, you guys. I love how this turned out. It's super lightweight, nothing's pulling. It is literally the perfect vacation style. Let me show you guys exactly how I did it, how I braided my hair, installed it, and a few styles at the end of this video. Let's get started. All right, y'all, so starting off, they give you everything that you need: crochet tool, comb, edge brush, all the good stuff. And here is the hair, y'all. This is a feather crochet, like I said, so it does have the little string in the middle, but y'all, get into this hair. It is so beautiful, so soft. The curl is so pretty on this. I was so excited to put this in my head. Y'all have no idea. So let's get to this hair real fast. Don't judge me, okay? Your girl had been going through it. I had a horrible allergic reaction, and I can't even pinpoint what it was because I was trying all new products during this time, but I could not touch my scalp for a good minute. Definitely smothered in cortisone cream and Benadryl cream, but I got through it, okay? So first things first, y'all, I just parted my hair. Parted the sections right in the front, just 2 sections. The rest of my hair is obviously going to be cornrowed, and I just started braiding. I highly recommend going on Pinterest and saving a few Fulani boho styles that you like and just copying them and then recreating on yourself, whether you do it or someone else does it. That's basically what I did. I knew the look that I was going for, and I knew I would want some individual braids in between the cornrows, which is what I'm doing right here, to give it more of a boho look. So yeah, if you can't come up with anything yourself, then Pinterest is going to be your girl. You'll have to just screenshot my braid pattern because it's much easier that way. Some stuff is just visual and, you know, we ain't got to talk about it. So that's that. But I can tell you I have 5 braids, like single braids, to make it more boho on each side. So kind of go from there. Y'all, I'm not the fastest when it comes to putting cornrows in my head, but I think I'm like pretty good. I'm pretty decent. I've been doing it for some years now. But here's a big tip. Don't use a lot of gel. Like, I don't understand still this whole, we're still using a whole bunch of edge control on our braids and stuff. A little bit, yes, as you can see that I'm doing here, but I'm like barely touching my hair. And I'm saying this simply because if you're not great at braiding, this is going to help you grip your hair a lot more, because that gel is just going to make your, you know, grip just not tight at all. It's just gonna be slippery mess, and it's just not gonna be good. So try not to use too much product when doing cornrows in your hair. Add the product after you are finished. So y'all, here's my head all braided down. I did leave some of my hair out in the back just in case I want to pull it up into a high bun. So y'all, braiding my hair did not take me long at all. I thought it would take a lot longer than what it did, but that was the hard part. This right here, crocheting it all in, is the easiest part. And all I'm doing here, you guys, is just starting with my boho pieces. 2 things with this style: I do not do double or triple knots, especially on these single braids right here. I have fine hair, so we just are not knotting anything on my hair. I don't find it necessary, so all I'm doing is just crocheting it in and then just twisting it down, and it is going to stay. Secondly, I think I said it before, but I have about 15 or 16 cornrows in my head, and that's basically my max. I've realized my hair is fine. If I do anything smaller than this, it's going to pull my hair out, like, for sure. So if you have fine hair, be careful with braiding your hair down, like your cornrows, and also how tiny you go. I just cannot go any smaller than this. It would end up being a disaster for me. And with crocheting the rest of my head, I just did single knots. I find that it stays. I don't need to do any doubles or triples or anything like that. So I'm just going to crochet this in like normal. Let me give you a really good tip real fast. Come closer. Come on close. I want y'all to hear this. Do not make your cornrows super far back. You're going to end up looking like Bozo the Clown, okay? And we do not want that. So what I'm doing here, you can cornrow them as much as you feel, but I was like, It was a little too far back for me, so obviously I just added some crochet pieces on top of the cornrows, and easy fix. So mind y'all, I had already done a detox on this hair before installing it and washed and conditioned it, and y'all, I really was like, it didn't really need anything. It was still super soft. I did wash in kind of like cool water, so just a FYI, it does not need any scorching hot water on this hair. But all I'm doing is just a little bit of water. I'm using a little bit of gel from Cream of Nature. It's the flaxseed gel. I will put it down in the description box for y'all, and just really working that through the hair in a couple sections, and that's it, y'all. It does not require much. I am absolutely impressed with this. I was excited when I opened the bag. I knew it was going to be good from Ywigs, and they've done it with this curl pattern and everything. I love how it came out, and I love just how easy it was to style as well. I always think when I see this style, I love when the girls be laying their edges all cute and stuff. So obviously I left out a little bit more of mine, just a little bit more than I normally do. I'm using the Kiss Edge Fixer. I'll put it in the description box like I will everything else. And then of course my Blue Lagoon Jam on top of that, because it's summertime and y'all know I use my Blue Lagoon Jam when I lay my edges. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of foam just for the flyaways, if I have any flyaways, and shine right at the top. I think I just put my scarf on for about 10 minutes or so. It does not need long because the braids are already looking good and it's shining. Yeah, it was just good. I was so happy with this style. Y'all, at the very end, once your hair is pretty much dry, there's just my opinion. Once it's pretty much dry, you're just gonna fluff it up like I'm doing here, and then just cut it even, and you'll get a much better result versus cutting it wet, you guys. So here is the first look if you just want to wear this look down. So cute. And then next, half up, half down, of course, with the boho pieces right in the front. And y'all see I didn't pop my sunglasses on just to give y'all more of a vacation look, vacation vibe, because I too wanted to see how it would look. This is my first time doing this style for vacation, y'all. Normally I do like locks or braids or something, like single braids or whatever, box braids, and this is my first time, and I fear I may be addicted. I see why the girls love it, y'all. So last, I just did a high ponytail and then ended it with a bun. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. You got a few looks that you can do with this style, but more importantly, you got some ease and you can worry about looking cute, looking good on vacation, and not have to worry about your hair. Okay, y'all, make sure you check the description box. I'll have anything I got, coupon codes, products, all that kind of stuff will be in the description box for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know what y'all think, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.